First, I want to ask question with you guys. Do you want to quit this journey? Do you want to stop learning? Because you have been learning very long time. You have been working on this language more than 1 year, more than half and 1 year, but still you are not getting fluency. Still your way of speaking is not improve. Yeah, still you are juggling the same problem. So guys, if you are juggling this kind of issue and now you want to stop it, now you want to quit this journey, now you want to give up. So if you are juggling this kind of issue, so make sure watch this video because I am going to share in this video some basic tips and tricks and what should you do and what should not you do. Okay. So hello and welcome back to my channel English with Menika. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great and you all are practicing your English in a precise way. So guys, before diving into the session, I just want to request all of you guys make sure watch this video till the very end because this video is going to very helpful if you are feeling demotivated, if you are not able to take a strong decision what should you go, you should go with your work further or you should stop it. Okay. So let's get into the video. So our first question is, I have been learning more than 1 year, more than 2 years, but still I'm not getting fluency. Still, I'm not speaking English fluently. Why? I'm not getting any kind of changes. Still, I am at the same place where I was started and I'm not getting any kind of improvement. So now I want to quit this. Now I want to stop this learning. So do you feel like this? I of course many of learners they are facing these kind of issues and now they are deciding it's not easy task, it's not our native language, we can't speak fluently, we can't learn English we can't speak English flawlessly. Okay, so guys, what you have to do, first thing you have to fix in your mind, because this is our not a native language, this is our secondary language. Okay, so first you have to understand it will take time. Okay, and it's all up to you how much efforts you are putting every single day. Like some people, they you will find very easily they are just giving 30 minutes 20 minutes every day. Okay, but they are just expecting my English is not improving very fast. How is possible? Because all the time you are surrounding with yourself with native language, है ना? आप पूरे टाइम अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज के साथ सराउंड रहते हो, उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज करते हो, हाउ इज पॉसिबल यू कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, है ना? Then what you have to do, first you have to speak more and more, you have to surround yourself, you have to use all the time, not only 30 minutes 20 minutes, 1 hour 2 hour, means whole hours. Yes, all the time you have to speak, you have to use the words whatever you are doing. First thing. Second, what we start doing, we start comparing ourselves, you start comparing with others, maybe your friends, maybe your senior, maybe we start comparing with native speakers. So how is possible? Because you don't know what they are doing who learning this language, you don't know how much efforts they are putting, है ना? we just getting we just start comparing due to their performance. So first you have to know what's your level and why are you comparing, because you don't know how much the efforts putting, that's why they were getting a good result, है ना? Then what you have to do, stop comparing yourself with others. First thing, इंस्टेंट ऑफ कंपेयरिंग योर सेल्फ यू कैन फोकस मोर एंड मोर लर्निंग, है ना? आप बहुत सारे वीडियो मत देखो, बहुत सारे लोगों से अपने आप को कंपेयर मत करो, अपनी पास्ट इम्प्रूवमेंट से अपने आप को कंपेयर करो। व्हेन यू वर स्टार्टेड, है ना, व्हेन यू जस्ट स्टार्टेड योर जर्नी, यू जस्ट रियलाइज दोज डे you were able to speak or not? No, I'm damn sure at that time you were not able to speak, है ना? You are not able to speak a single line, maybe 2 line 3 line, you just get stuck. But now you are able to speak, you have to appreciate this talent, you have to appreciate your work, you feel happy about yourself. Now you are much better from your past performance, so why are you worrying about your fluency? And the third thing is, what I feel like in this, like generally, we always depend on others for our validation, for praise. Yes, when we start doing any kind of work. Okay, guys. So within a few days, what we expecting, जस्ट लाइक काश कोई मुझे मेरे काम का अप्रिसिएट करता, अच्छी अच्छी लाइन में बोलता और बोलता तुम बहुत अच्छी कर रही हो, तुम्हें करता रहा। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, है ना। नो वन रेडी टू अप्रिसिएट योर वर्क बिकॉज they were not interested from your work, whatever you are doing. You know what is important of this work in your life, but they don't know. They don't know. No one want to see the struggle journey. They just want to see their result, their achievement, है ना। So why are you depending on others for good compliment? Stop depending on others for praise, for compliment, yes, for validation. You should appreciate your work, you should talk with yourself, you should console yourself, you should speak good line for yourself, है ना। Then you will able to banish all the negative symptoms from your life, because negative symptoms always stop you, always push you back. You will get easily demotivated, you will start procrastinating the work, you will start feeling very worried, anxiety, yeah. And then you are not taking interest to doing your work every single day. So my dear friend, I want to tell you guys, don't depend others for validation, for praise and for good compliment. Whatever you are doing, आपको खुद को तारीफ़ करना है। हर एक दिन खुद के लिए कुछ अच्छी लाइन बोलिए अपने काम। अगर आप एक ही वर्ड एक दिन में सीखें, दैट इज़ इनफ। यू हैव टू अप्रिसिएट दैट, एटलीस्ट यू लर्न वन वर्ड अ डे, है ना। एंड देन यू हैव टू यूज़ इट। यू नो योर टैलेंट, यू नो योर कैपेबिलिटी। तो आपकी खुद के लिए अच्छी लाइनें बोलना है, खुद को मोटिवेट करना है, खुद को आगे लेकर जाना है, ठीक है। डोंट सराउंड योर सेल्फ विथ नेगेटिव पीपल, डोंट सराउंड योर सेल्फ विथ दोज पीपल दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड विथ योर वर्क, है ना। यू हैव टू सराउंड योर सेल्फ विथ गुड पीपल्स, गुड फ्रेंड्स एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बुक्स। yes, if you are a fond of reading, then you have to surround yourself good books, talk with yourself. And because nowadays it's very important for all of us, we should know how to talk with ourselves, है ना। हमें खुद से बात करनी आना चाहिए। ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है। हम दुनियादारी हर किसी से बात करने जानते हैं, हर किसी से बात कर लेते हैं, लेकिन वी डोंट नो। आप इस चीज़ को रियलाइज़ कीजिए, आप कभी 2 मिनट में खुद के साथ बैठ के देखिए, देन यू विल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड how much talent you have. Maybe you will easily get anxious spending just 2 minutes with yourself. So try to speak with yourself, try to understand yourself, and try to praise your work, whatever you are doing in your life. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you people understand what I am saying. And if you find any kind of learning in this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and stay connected with me guys. Very soon I will meet in another session. Till now, bye bye, take care.